Now, how do you send live location from one iPhone to another? Well, luckily there is a built-in solution for that, and it is part of the Find My application. So the Find My is a way for you to track location of multiple different things. Like if you have some other devices like iPad, you can track it. And then if you have AirTags, which are like the GPS devices from Apple, you can track those as well. But inside of the app, you also have a People's section. And there, you can basically start sharing your live and current location with other people. Those people also need to have an iPhone and everything set up as it works there only, but when you click on share it with more people, your contacts will appear and you can choose the people you want and give them the permission to access your location. Then they can also share their location back to you. So it works well. You can track each other's position on the map. It just works fine, right? And it is part of the Apple's ecosystem. So even like your entire Apple family can track each other's location. So it's like very simple that way. But this is of course not the only way to use it, as you can also use, for example, WhatsApp. A lot of people text each other through WhatsApp, and there inside of the chats you can click on the plus button, which lets you send the current location as a point on the map, or you can also just start sharing the live location, which does a similar job only through a different app and different user interface, but it's essentially the same thing, just through WhatsApp. So as you can see, you have more ways and options on sharing your live location with other people. Let me know which option works better for you. Subscribe for the next guides and tutorials like this one, and I'm most definitely going to catch you later in the future videos.